Well, we are 36 days away from hurricane season, and the city of Tallahassee says now is the time for you to prepare. Tallahassee is hosting community workshops to help you get prepared. The workshops will focus on how to be financially prepared and mapping out a family plan for evacuations if disaster strikes. Organizers of the workshop say after being hit by Hermine, Irma, and Michael, giving people the skills to get prepared is important.
After that, it was really a wake-up call to a lot of us that, we do need to have a plan of, how we're going to, get resources and, how we're going to work with our neighbors and, what we're going to do. And so, again, the best way to do that is to have a plan of action.
The first meeting is in about an hour at the Sue McCollum Community Center. The next two are in May, and the final meeting is going to be in June.